Hello. So today I'll be solving some questions where general students have doubts. So the first question that I've taken, ages of two friends, Ani and Biju, differ by 3 years. Ani's father, Dharam, is twice as old as Ani and Biju is twice as old as his sister Kathy. The ages of Kathy and Dharam differ by 30 years. Find the ages of Ani and Biju. So, first of all, we'll take the ages of Ani and Biju, which we are asked to find as our variables. So, first we do this. So, let the age of Ani is equal to x years and let the age of the other friend Biju is y years. Okay. So now, then according to the question, now you see the two friends differ by 3 years. The ages of two friends differ by 3 years. Now since they are friends, we don't know who one is older. So there will be two cases therefore. So in case 1, when I take Ani to be older than Biju, that is x is greater than y. And case 2, when Biju is older than Ani. So y is greater than x. So since they are friends, so these will be the two cases. In case of father son, there are no ambiguity. We obviously take the age of father to be given more than the age of son. But since they are friends, so we cannot say who is older. So that's why you have to consider both the cases. So according to the question, so they differ by 3 years. So since x is greater than y, so x minus y is 3, equation 1. Or for case 2, since in case 2 y is greater than y x, so it will be y minus x is equal to 3. So it is equation 2. So two possible equations will be there. Next, let us move ahead. Ani's father Dharam is twice as old as Ani. So therefore, according to the question, Dharam's age is given twice the age of Ani. So in this case, Ani is x, so it is twice x. And Biju is twice as old as his sister Kathy. So therefore Kathy's age will be Biju is twice as old as sisters, therefore the sister will be half the age of Biju. So I can write Biju's age was y years, so I can write it is half of y years. Okay. So this we can write about Dharam says twice x and Kathy says y by 2 according to the question. So now I will be able to write the next equation. The ages of Kathy and Dharam differ by 30 years. Now obviously Dharam is father of Ani and Kathy is sister of Biju. So obviously age of Dharam will be more than age of Kathy. So there is no ambiguity. So we can write according to the question, Dharam's age minus Kathy's age is 30. Their age differ by 30 according to the question. Kathy and Dharam differ by 30 years. So I've got the next question. So before, let me write in the simplified form. Or take LCM, 4x minus y is equal to 30. Then we will do the cross multiplication. 2 will go to the side to 60. So I can write in this way. In the next step, after cross multiplication, I can write this as 60. So this is the third equation. 4x minus y is 60. So now For case 1, I'll be having this 1 and I have to solve equation 1 and 3. And for case 2 I have to solve equation 2 and 3. So first solving equation 1 and 3. How we can solve? As you see, we can use method of substitution because y is equal to, or we can subtract also. I can subtract 1 from 3. So let me write in this way, subtract 1 from 3. So that will give us what? You see. Let me write the equation 1 before, below this 3. So 1x minus y is 3. X minus y is equal to 3. So when I will be subtracting, signs will change. So y getting cancelled. So 3x is equal to 57. So that will give x is equal to 319 to 50 is 19. So I got the value of x 19. X is 19. So therefore, what will be y from equation 1 only? I can get the value of y. Equation 1, x minus y is 3. So x is your 19. 19 minus y is 3. So that will give you the value of y to be as y is equal to, go to that side, 19 minus 3 is 16. So this is one set of answer, that is x is 19 means age of Annie is 19 years and y 16 means age of Biju is 16 years. Okay. Now I have also have to consider the other case, case 2. So here I have to solve this one from 2 and I'll be solving 2 and 3. I have to solve. This is the equation 3. 4x, let me again write. 4x minus y is equal to 60. That was equation 3. And y minus x, or let me write in the other form, minus x plus y is equal to 3. It is equation 2. I have written in the proper order. So it is very easy because y is minus y plus y. So if I add them, y will be eliminated. So I am adding, so these two getting cancelled. So it is 3x is equal to 63. Therefore x is equal to 63 by 3, that is 21. So therefore y will be from equation this, from equation 2. What is y is? X will go to that side, 3 plus x. 3 plus x, 21, that is 24. I am getting it from equation 2. So this is another pair answer. That is when x is 21, y is 24. That is when age of Annie is 21, age of Biju will be 24. So when I will be writing the answer in this way, answer age of Annie and age of Biju. These were asked to find. So two cases. When the first case, age of Annie is 19 years and then Biju is 16 years. This is one set. Then you write or x is 21 years and then y is 24 years. So another set. So this will be the answer. We have to give two set of answers. So these things you have to consider using your common sense. What is the actual possibility in reality? So then in this way you have to, will be getting two set of answer in this kind of question. Okay. Next question. The students of a class are made to stand in rows. If 3 students are extra in a row, there would be 1 row less. And if 3 students are less in a row, there would be 2 rows more. Find the number of students in the class. So first let us understand the situation with the help of a simple example. Suppose there are 15 students in a class. Total number of students 15, okay? And they are asked to stand in rows. Just in assembly row in that way. So suppose they are asked to make 3 rows, okay? So 3 rows means, so if 3 rows, That means one. How many students will have to be in one row? 3 5 are 15. So if there are 3 rows, 5 students will be there in each row. So like this, 1 2 3 4 5. This is one first row, then row 2, then the third row again 5 students. So that is the situations. So total number, how we are getting the total number of students? We multiply the number of rows with total number of students in each row, that is 5. In each row there are 5 students. So obviously, if I know the number of students in each row and number of rows, then the product of that two will be the total number of students in the class. That we understand. So that's why we have to find the number of rows and number of students in each row, and we take them as variable. So let us take that, let number of rows say x, and also let number of students, number of rows in this way, number of students in each row, numbers in each row. Let us take that to be as a y variable. These are numbers, so there is no unit. So that means this 5 is here, your number of students in each row, that is y, and this 3, now this 3 is your x. X is equal to 3 here, and y is equal to 5, number of students in each row. So total number of students will be x into y. So this you have understood. Now let me erase this one. Now let us form equations with these variables. Now you see, if in the first case, let me write, according to the question, if 3 students are extra in a row, that is initially there were y students in each row, number of students in each row were y. So now 3 students extra, so number of students in each row will be y plus 3. This is your number of students in each row. So let me write case 1. Then what would happen? Then there would be one row less. Number of row was x, then number of rows will be initially x, so one row less, so x minus 1. This will be the in case 1. So total number of students will be product of these two. So therefore, what is the total number of students? Let me so let me write it here. Number of rows x and number of students row y. Therefore, total number. Let me write it here. Total number of students will be x into y. So now what will happen? So product of these two will be again equal to total number of students. So according to the question, now I can write, that is your x minus 1 into y plus 3. Number of rows into number of students in each row is equal to this one. That was our total number of students. So I will open this, x into y, xy plus 3x minus y and minus 3 is equal to x, y. So these two getting cancelled, so or 3x minus y, 3 take to the other side, so it will become 3. So I got the first equation from the case 1. Similarly from case 2, let me keep it here separately. So case 2, number of students, Case 2, number of students in each row. How much? Second case, if 3 students are less. Now less. Original was y, so it is y minus 3. Number of students in each row, in the second case y minus 3. Then what will happen about the number of rows then? Number of rows, then there will be 2 more rows. So original number of rows was x, so x plus 2. This will be the situation. So again, total number of students will be product of these two. Therefore, according to the question, your x plus 2 into y minus 3 is equal to total number of students is your xy. Similar thing, number of rows into number of students in each row is the total number of students. So again we simplify, xy minus 3x plus 2y minus 6 is xy. This xy getting cancelled, or minus 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. 6 taken to the other side, so equation 2. So I got these two equations, this one and this one, from the two different situations. So only we have to solve. Now how we can solve? We can solve by the method of substitution, as the coefficient of y is 1. Therefore here, so or we can write y is equal to, y take to the other side, plus, so 3 will come to this side, so 3x minus 3. Say equation 3. So I'll be using equation in here. So using or substituting equation 3 in equation 2, what will I get? Minus 3x plus 2y. So 2 into this y I'll be substituting, 3x minus 3 is equal to 6. Then I can solve for x, or minus 3x, 6x minus 6 is equal to 6. So it is, or 3x is equal to 12, and which gives you x is equal to 12 by 3, 4. So I have solved for x is equal to 4. So from equation 3, I can get the value of y by putting this value of x here. So from equation 3, okay, so this, let me write it here. This will give us y is equal to 3x minus 3. So 3x is your 4 into 4 minus 3. 3 4 is 12. 12 minus 3 is 9. So when x is 4, y is 9. That we have solved. We have solved by the method of substitution. So what was asked to find the total number of students in the class, and that was x into y. So therefore the answer will be, what x is found to be 4 and y came out to be 9. So 4 9 is 36. So that is the answer. Total number of students is 36. Okay. Next question. The age of father is twice the sum of the ages of his 2 children. After 20 years, his age will be equal to the sum of the ages of his children. Find the age of the father. Okay, so let us take the unknowns as the variables. So let the present, actually age of the father means present age of the father. So then let me write present age. Present age of the father x years. Okay. Now he has 2 children, and also let us write, let the present age of his first children, let me write first child, say A years, and present age of his second child be B years. Okay, we take them like this. Now the age of the father is twice the sum of the ages of the children. So let me take the sum of the ages of children. Sum of the ages of children, 2 children, is equal to A plus B. That is the present age. Let me write. Sum of the present ages of two children will be A plus B. Years. And let me take this A plus B as another variable Y. Okay, so let Y, that is the sum, is A plus B. We take in this way. Actually, okay, no problem. So now according to the question, age of the father is twice. That means age of the present age of the father is X. So X is equal to twice what? Twice the sum of the ages of children. That means this is the sum. Present age of the sum of the ages of children, that is twice of Y. I can write. First equation. Then according to the question again, let's come to the next condition, that is after 20 years, father's age will be equal to the sum of the ages of his children. So let me find out the ages of father after 20 years. So father's age after 20 years, father's age will be X plus 20, and age of first child will be A plus 20, and age of second child will be B plus 20, right? So what about the sum of the ages of the children? It will be A plus B plus 20 plus 20, 40. So this is the sum of the ages of these two children. And this A plus B I have taken as Y. So Y plus 40 will be the sum of the ages of the two children after 20 years in this way. So I can write after 20 years father's age is X plus 20 and is equal to the sum of the ages of the children, and that is your Y plus 40. Y plus 40. So we can very easily solve. So X minus Y is equal to, or I can write directly, X is equal to, take Y to 20 to that side, so it will be Y plus 40 minus 20, 20. So equation 2. So comparing 1 and 2, left hand side is same, X, or we can substitute also, substituting equation 1 in 2. So 1 in 2, what we are getting, in place of X writing twice Y is equal to Y plus 20, and this gives you, Y will come to that side, Y is equal to 20. Now we have to find the age of the father, that is we have to find X. So put this value of Y in equation 1. Therefore from equation 1 I am getting the value of X is equal to 2 into Y is 20. So that is 40. So answer, the age of father is 40 years. Age of father is 40 years. That is the answer. Okay. Okay. That's all.